Do you want to make viral motivational TikTok videos like these that gain millions of views and likes? Then you have found the right video. I will show you all the steps to making a viral motivational video. Let's begin. First, we need to use ChatGPT to make the script for our video. Once you're in ChatGPT, use this prompt to make the scripts for our video. If the script is too short, ask ChatGPT to make it longer. The script should be around 1250 characters. You can copy the prompt down in the comments. Now head over to Pexels. Pexels has a huge library of the videos we are looking for. So click on Videos, and then search up things like supercars, mansions, vacation, and animals. So choose some clips for your video. After that, head over to 11 Labs to make our voice. In 11 Labs, choose Adam since the voice is widely recognizable. Now take your script from ChatGPT, paste it into 11 Labs, and hit Generate. Now that we have our voiceover and images, let's head over to CapCut and create our video. First, choose the ratio 9:16. Then put all your videos from Pexels in and our voice over. Crop the videos till they match the video's size. Also make it so that the clips are as long as the voiceover and add the transition black fade to the clips. Also add an adjustment that is -38 exposure. Now use the function auto-generate to make our subtitles. Once you have done that, go to templates and use this template. Now adjust the text until it fits your liking. At the end of the video, add fade out to both the video and the subtitles. Now export the video and you're done. Let's take a look at the final product.
In the grand tapestry of existence, you hold the brush to paint your reality. Every stroke, every hue is a reflection of your choices, your determination, your unwavering spirit. Life isn't a straight line. It's a masterpiece in progress with twists and turns that test your resolve. But remember, within every challenge lies an opportunity for growth, for evolution. You are not defined by your circumstances. You are defined by your response to them. Embrace the storms, for they water the seeds of your potential. Embrace the darkness, for it reveals the light within you. Your journey is not just about reaching the summit. It's about the climb, the sweat, the tears shed along the way. Each step forward is a testament to your courage, your resilience, your unyielding faith in yourself. So when doubt whispers in your ear, drown it out with the roar of your ambition. When fear tries to paralyze you, let courage be your guiding star. You are not just a player in the game of life. You are the architect of your destiny, the orchestrator of your dreams. Stand tall, for you are stronger than you know.
Fantastic. Now upload the video to all your socials and remember to upload frequently to see results. Check out my profile if you want to learn more and consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel.